Hi guys, so we are opening some dumplings. First thing first is this big one. I think it's these squishy dumplings. Let me just open it. These are the squishy dumplings. These are the dumplings. The dumpling. There, dumpling. So guys, wait. My sister's here. Look, sister is here. My sister is here now. So
Yeah, I'm here, so I'm gonna.
she will help me out. Open the other one. Wait.
Oh, it's a rare one!
It's a glitter one, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, is that rare? I don't know. I only seen
It's
rainbow
rare,
ones.
bro.
Wait, what? You're joking. Bro, give me it. That's mine.
Where is your accent like that?
Don't worry about it.
So, bebe talaga yung kapatid ko, guys.
So, now the oh. Okay. I'm in the video now, so yeah, bye.